Hey folks, welcome to another unboxing video. This is on the iPhone 11 Pro. You've got the iPhone 11 Pro with the 5.8-inch screen, which is what this is, and the 11 Pro Max, which is the 6.5-inch screen. They're both exactly the same in all other specs. A little bit later in the video, I'll go ahead and go over the differences between the iPhone 11 versus the iPhone 11 Pro. The major difference is the actual camera and some other things, obviously. So this is the unboxing of it. Now obviously it comes, I just got this directly from Verizon, and it was packed in cellophane, which I have already removed. So when you receive your phone, to ensure that it's new, it should be wrapped in the cellophane that I had to cut off with a knife, and then you'll know that it's not a return but brand new phone. So now we'll go ahead and take off the box. And you know, iPhone tries to make the experience of unboxing their products almost as good as the experience of using their products. So this is the actual box itself. And I can go over, this is the rest of it. And this is the 64 gigabyte, if not already mentioned. With everything being up on the cloud, I didn't see the expense of the additional size, which comes pretty substantial additional cost for the 64 versus the 256 or the 512 gigabyte. With everything up in the cloud, the 64 is plenty. So let's go ahead and take the phone out and remove. It's got the protective covering. I'll turn that on in just a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. You've got the documentation. You've got the 18-watt USB-C power adapter. You've got the EarPods with the lightning connector. And you've got the USB-C lightning cable that comes with it. So let's go ahead and power up the phone. You got the volume down, volume up. This here is ringer silent. This is the button. And over here is for your SIM. And let's go ahead and power it on. And some of the differences in the specs between the 11 and the 11 Pro, if you're still deciding, is the fact that the 11 has the 2 camera lenses, whereby this, the 11 Pro, has got the 3, and hence the telephoto and the depth. And it just takes some awesome pictures, okay? In addition to that, the 11 Pro can play up to 18 hours of video on the battery, whereby the 11 claims just 17 hours of video. And again, I mentioned that the 11 comes with the Liquid Retina HD 6.1-inch LCD display, whereby this comes with the Super Retina XDR, and this is the 5.8, and the Max is the 6.5, both with the OLED display. Another significant is that on the 11, it's water resistant up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. They claim that this is water resistant up to 4 meters for 30 minutes. And there is the 3 lenses that are guaranteed to give you the best pictures you've ever taken on any phone prior to that. So I will put the rest of the specs down below in the description. I'll put some links to Apple, directly to Apple on that. And if you're deciding between the 11 and the 11 Pro, and the pictures and video is your thing, then you definitely want to go for the 11 Pro. It starts at $999 for this version, 64 gigabyte, or $1,099 for the Max. And then as you go higher in memory, such as the 256 or 512, it can significantly increase that. But consider the use of the cloud, Apple Cloud, Google, and all that, and you won't need that much space on your phone. So let's go ahead and power it off. Either one, power up, power down, button on the right, hold it down until it says slide to power off, and you're done. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and comment and hit the like button. We'll see you in the next one.